Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I make my fishless fritters. Fritters is a Jamaican thing, and we all like a bit of fritters sometimes, now and then. So yeah, let's get started guys. And if you're new to my channel, please follow me on Instagram at Natural Jamaican Vegan. Thanks for all those who subscribe, like and share all my videos. I really appreciate that. So guys, here are the ingredients that I'll be using. Over here I've got some tomatoes, green onion and white onion. Also got some onion powder, baking powder, and I'm using this vegan brand. And some turmeric, cayenne pepper, and some water. Some people add sugar in the fritters or dumpling. I don't do that. And you can add seaweed to get that saltfish taste, but I don't eat saltfish. So yeah, this is my fish and less fritters. So guys, let's make the batter. So now I'm gonna add all my seasoning in here in the flour. I'm using spelt flour. So yeah, I'm gonna add all my seasoning in it. It's gonna be a quick video. Over here I've got my cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add a bit of cayenne pepper, not to get it that spicy, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna have some baking powder. I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm using a bit of turmeric, onion powder. I love onion powder guys. And now I'm gonna combine all together. I'm gonna mix it all together guys to create the butter. And yeah, over here I got the water. So yeah, this is how I'm forming the batter, not butter, batter. So yeah, now I'm gonna pour some water in there guys. So guys, after I mix the batter, then I'm gonna come back and show you the consistency of. Guys, welcome back. So this is the consistency. This is how you want your batter to look. You don't want it to be a bit runny. No, this is the right texture. So now guys, I'm gonna pour some oil inside the pot, and I'm using coconut oil. So yeah, I'm using the coconut oil. So pour a lot in this. There's a lot of fritters, so yeah. Let's get that in. Who doesn't like fritters? Yeah, so that amount of oil for me, because you know I'll double guys when you go inside the pot. So yeah, and the heat is on low. It's not hot, so you don't need high heat to cook the fritters, because you don't want it to burn and all of that. Guys, this is gonna be good. You don't have to put saltfish. And I said you can also put seaweed, whatever you choose to put in it. You can use zucchini. You can put zucchini in there also. Whatever you choose to use, guys, just go ahead and use that to make your own fritters. But if you like to use someone who likes saltfish, go ahead and add the saltfish. If he's not a meat eater like myself, who doesn't eat saltfish, you can use seaweed. But I'm not using any seaweed today because I don't have any. Yeah. So now guys, I'm gonna put the batter in. I'm not gonna make them too big. I'm just gonna make it a right size. You know, fritters not gonna come out like fried dumpling how you want it. You understand? It'll come out a bit. You know it? You're not gonna get it perfect. Yeah. So yeah guys, yes, I think I'm gonna put in about 6 inside this pan. let's hope it hold 6, as I said. Okay, so guys, it all 6, as you can see. They all frying, guys. This is my fish and less fritters. So guys, I will list all the ingredients below, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel and also follow me on all social media: Facebook Jamaican Vegan, Instagram Jamaican underscore vegan, natural Jamaican underscore vegan, and Instagram. The same on Facebook is natural Jamaican vegan. So yeah, please go ahead, guys, and like and share my page. So guys, when I come back, and then I'm gonna show you when I'm flipping them over. I'm gonna let them cook like 2 to 3 minutes on one side before I turn them. But before I turn them, guys, gonna wait until you see the little bubbles come on the top. When you see the bubble, then that's when you're gonna turn it. Okay, guys. So I soon. Hi guys. So now you can see the little bubbles on the top of it. It's ready to turn. So I'm gonna turn them, guys. Yeah. That's when you know you need to turn them over. As soon as you see the little bubble, guys, please do not fry fritters and I eat. No, you don't need I eat with that. It's gonna burn and it's not gonna cook. And you don't need, some people add sugar. You can put sugar if you want. For me, I've never put sugar in fried dumpling or fritters before, because it will burn. Definitely the sugar will make it burn. And it's still not going to cook. It's going to burn on the outside and in the middle raw. So it don't make sense. That's a no for me. Guys, you saw them look nice? Yeah, that's how you want it. Nice. So guys, when I come back, I'll show you the finished product. Hey guys, so these ones is ready to come out. Yeah, guys, this is how you want them to look. So these ones are ready. Before I put the rest in, and I'll show you guys. I'll put them in some paper towels so you could suck some of the oil out, even though I didn't use a lot of oil. So now I'm gonna add some more in, guys. I think this is the last set, so that's the right amount of oil for me. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to make this recipe, go ahead and do so. It's really nice. Don't be afraid to try new things. This is a little bit big, so I'm gonna just do 5. So yeah, guys, I just have the rest in. So when I come back, then it's all finished. I'll show you. Hi guys, welcome back to my fish and less fritters. They all done, and here's the finished product. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. It's so good. So guys, I'm gonna broke one so you can see what this looks like inside. Can you see that? Yeah, so good. It's nice. So, yeah, this endless fritters. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're really interested in this, go ahead and make it. Please follow me on all platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Guys, I just want to say, go and big up on yourself. Until next time, guys. Bye.